one house, you only need one house. And if you only got 2 kids, can you just keep it to 2 rooms? Right. I mean, why have 52 rooms if you know there's somebody with no room?
I said I rebel with my conscience. I'm just a dreamer, big believer in this whole game is a process. I pray every day that I get to see the next one. My granny tell me don't question the Lord's blessings, but I'm curious. And all this weed smoke, plus I'm dead broke, homie. Shit got me delirious and ease back. My pain killed through the free sack from my Ivy Hill green pack, and my feet flat, planet. While I'm trying to go and blossom, but honestly I'm hurt by the fact they double cross me. Friends turn opposites, deal with the consequence. Gotta go and focus in, bite the hand that held, may the Lord help with your defense.
What is going on, guys? What is going on? Welcome back to my YouTube channel once again. It's your boy Evans, aka Zach, or ZachSwayFX, and I'm back on your screens with another video. Yeah, so guys, it's actually been a very long time I uploaded on YouTube, and that's my bad. Yeah, sometimes I used to feel like I've betrayed you guys because that wasn't the plan from the beginning. You know, most of you guys actually joined this channel because you saw that I was consistent, and all of a sudden I just went off and my videos weren't getting consistent enough and all that stuff. Even though I've been restless working behind the scenes, I think some of the things I've done, or some of the things along the journey should actually been uploaded or should have been recorded on YouTube here. But it is what it is, guys. It is what it is. You know, it's been a rough journey so far, but all things being equal, we are actually seeing progress. Yeah, you know, that's the thing. Why are we doing this? It's just to see some progress in our lives, and if we are actually seeing some progress, or we've seen some changes, and it's because of this thing that, or it's because of this trading that we are doing, we are seeing some changes, then it's cool. It's just that I haven't been recording and posting it here doesn't mean I'm not working. I've been working behind the scenes. Like, I've been working like every day I wake up and then I work like it's my last day on earth. So I'm really sorry if I've betrayed you guys, but it's not my fault though, because sometimes you just get stuck in life and you're trying to get your shit together, and by so doing, see that you have to let go of some parts of your life and then focus on other stuff, and when you get them together you can get back to your normal life. So that's just all. Yeah, that's just all. But today I want to trade with you guys live. I want to go to the chart, analyze the chart, and then trade with you guys live. I've been trying some flipping challenges, and today I just want to document one of these challenges with you guys. This is a flip challenge. It's not like I'm going to be I'm going to be conservative with this trade. I'm going all in. I'm going all in, full margin. Yeah, if you know, you know. But you know, I've already deposited my funds into the account. I created a CDs account with XNES, and then I've already made my deposit 120 CDs, and that's like $10. Yeah, so I've made my deposit. Now I'm going straight into the chart so I can show you my analysis. And yeah, you know, I haven't really done the analysis, although my markups from last week, last trading week, are still on the chart though. But because this is a new challenge, I'm going to clear the chart and then restart the analysis with you guys, and yeah, and we see what we get from there. But I'm not taking any trade despite the situation. Even if the trade is as juicy as anything crana, I'm not taking this trade. Get me? I'm going to wait until it's New York session. Right now we are in the London session, and I'm going to be waiting until New York session before I take a trade. With that being said, I'll be taking you guys straight into the chart so we can start our analysis from there. Yeah, but today this is my first time doing this on this channel. Yes, I'm going to be introducing someone special.
I don't want peace. I want problems. Yes. Always.
I'm going to be introducing someone to this channel, and I just hope that in my subsequent videos, yeah, the person will be in the videos. Maybe not all, but at least almost like 80% of the videos, the person will be in this video. But I will do that later in the video, so just stay tuned. So guys, let's jump straight into the chart so we can start our analysis together. So let's go, guys. Yeah, so guys, this is on the gold chart 1H time frame. So let's head straight to our 4H. And first of all, let me delete everything first. Alright, now our chart is clear. It's crystal clear. Get me? Yeah, so guys, now we start with our analysis. Let me mark this one. You can clearly see that price has been in an uptrend. If I should, price has been in an uptrend from very long time, but upon reaching here, price is kind of consolidating around this zone. Yeah, let me mark it up. So this is what I'm saying. It's like price is just consolidating inside of this zone, and it is just failing to break, or it's not yet deciding on whether to break up or down. Price is just moving sideways in this zone. After all these massive buys, price has just started consolidating, and I don't know if price is going to reverse and start giving us the how do we call it, a retracement, because we've had a lot of retracement from this zone, but still price hasn't decided yet. But you know me, I don't trade from the higher time frame. I just go onto the higher time frame to check my directional bias and stuff like that. The directional bias or the overall direction of the market. And with that being said, I wouldn't have to go all the way back to where I went just now. I'll just focus on this zone here, what I'm seeing from this screen. So this on my 4H time frame, and first of all, or should I say first of course? So first of all, I'll put my trend line over there, and we can see that price has been in a bullish trend. So from here, let me mark it there. From here to here, and you know, so that's for my 4H. And now we have to start marking key zones where price has reacted to the most, or levels price has created and hasn't been used yet. So my first key zone will be here. This was the lowest low price created, and it hasn't been used yet. So price hasn't attempted to break that zone yet. So if price wants to go down from where it is, this is where we'll be expecting a reaction from the 4H time frame. Yeah. And now I'd have to come here again. This was also a low that price created, and now it seems like price is actually reacting to this zone from the 4H time frame. Then we can go to the next low, this low here. That was a level price created before it broke below. So that's also a key zone for me, and another key zone here. Then we have one right here too, right below. And then we have the highest high that price created. That was the beginning of that bearish run. So just at the top there, that swing high that price created. So if price decides to reverse from here, and mind you, this downtrend from the 4-inch time frame is an unhealthy trend. This downtrend here, this downtrend like this, is an unhealthy trend. So I'm going to be expecting a massive buy if I see, like, after this massive sell-off, and then I start seeing some bullish sentiment or bullish confirmations from here. I'll be taking these buys and I'll be so massive on them, because this is an unhealthy trend, and when this unhealthy trend gets broken, the result is always how do I put it, the result is always massive. Yeah, because we have two trends. If you don't know, we have the trend that goes this way, come back to the previous high retest, and then keeps going. This is how a normal market should be moving. As you all know, if you have been in the game for long, you should know this, because this is how a normal trending market works. But if you have something like this, it pushes, come to a place, then breaks above the next high, comes like halfway, it comes about halfway into the zone, and then continues going. This is not a good trend. This is an unhealthy. We have a healthy trend, then the unhealthy trend. Whenever there is this type of trend, and then we finally get a breakout, you see that price moving very aggressive in the opposite direction of the trend. So that's what I'm expecting. That's what I'm expecting from here on the higher time frame. But then this on the 4-inch, and we can't make any intraday decision based on the information we are getting from here. So I'll have to move to my lower time frame, and that's my 1-inch, to check and see what's happening there too. So moving to my 1 hour time frame, this is what I'm seeing. So I'm seeing price. So on the 1 hour time frame, I'm seeing something like a double bottom formation over here like this. And if we check this trend very well, I don't think we've had a double bottom formation from this trend. I don't think we've ever had a double bottom formation from here, and you could see that after the double bottom formation, price broke above the neckline, and we're having some kind of reactions around here. But what's happening now is that this 4-inch trend line got broken, and price is coming back for a retest. You see, now we have two informations, one from the 4-inch and one from the 1 hour, and these two informations are not matching. So we can't enter a trade right now. We have to wait until we see some information that is matching. At least the 4-inch and then the 1-inch are matching. Then on the 15 minutes or on the 5 minutes, we can make a decision from there. So now this is like a double bottom formation forming on the hourly time frame after a massive drop following an unhealthy trend move. And now I'm expecting a buy on the 1 hour time frame, and 4-inch is actually telling me, or is giving me, a sell signal. So with that being said, I'm not going to be taking a trade from here. I'm just going to wait. Like I said, I'm just going to be waiting until there is an information, or like maybe hopefully when we get to the New York session, we might see something, because that's when gold gets volatile. So we might see some reactions that might trigger or might give us a better information than what we are seeing right now. So with that being said, let's just keep waiting. Now it's time for the waiting game to be on. So let's get it, guys. But while I'm waiting, if you are new to the channel and you probably don't know who I am, my name is Evans, aka Zach, or FX, and I'm a forex trader in Ghana, and I've been documenting my journey here on YouTube, showing you guys my ups and downs and how I'm walking this journey to become a profitable forex trader. So if you're interested in content like this, do want to smash the like button for your boy, subscribe to the channel, and make sure you hit that notification bell so that every time I drop a new video you'll get notified. So let's get on with the video, guys.
You bumming it with me, hundreds and fifties. The drug deals, hum of the city, ring in my ear. Change first, come the man in the mirror. Death is
on my knees praying for blessings. What be this? What be this? What be this? Jesus. Mama was lying. Now I see. Get the wood out there.
Street rap without a genie as I crave for this money and I dream for that stardom. This little man Marlon, God that's on hard and ain't no bargain in these doctor bills piling and this money getting garnished. I wanna lick you for your happiness. Damn right I'ma spit real shit, savviness. And I'm adding this. Motherfuckers nowadays is just dying. So I'm shooting
I don't mean to see a wild thing. Even if you force to go win, put that on everything. They give me team, I don't know what I think. Now me as you should be a come. Yeah. I dey pray to God for my sins. Do they be a me ass or thing? Thanks to the ghettos and wine and anything. My name will say you buy nothing. It was 2013. Many see.
So guys, I saw this quote from one of the books that I started using way back when I started, like when I just got started with trading. I would literally go onto YouTube and then start watching videos, and sometimes I would just go to Google and then search some stuffs like motivational stuffs, and and I've been writing down some things, and right now I just came across some quotes that I wrote in this book way back, let's say about 3 years ago, and it might even be 4 years because I started doing this before I literally got started with trading. And let's say 3 of these quotes actually touched me, and I want to share it with you guys. So the first one is, the man who fears struggling is already struggling in his deepest fears. And it's true. If you're scared to struggle, you are scared of the pain that will come from what you are doing and stuff like that, or what you want to do, you're already struggling in your deepest fears. And it's true, this is deep, this is really deep, man. And then the next one is, nothing is more dangerous than a man who heals his wounds on his own. Imagine funding like a $500 account, or let's just say you worked for a whole month to get $50 and put into your trading account. Then in just a day or even less than 24 hours, that account gets blown. Then you go back, work again, and put your money into this same trading account. Nobody healed you. You did that yourself. You actually consoled yourself. You know how hard it was to lose that money, but then you came back stronger. That's my understanding for this one. And then the next one is this, the best one of all. It says, and it's very simple too, it says, follow excellence and success will chase you. Bro, this is hard. This is really hard, man. It says follow excellence. Just follow excellence. Just try and be best at what you do. Then the rest will follow. Just try and be best at what you do. That boy Jeff Benson always talk, say, be the best or be nothing. Yes. If you can't be the best, then the best will beat you. Because there's also someone out there trying to be the best. So you also have to try and be the best. If you are not the best will beat you. So just try and follow excellence. Try and get a skill, master the skill, and then the monetary aspect will just be flowing. Money will just be flowing in your account like water. That be when you will get to the stage where you go fit talk, say money na water, like how I've been saying, money na water. So guys, that's it, guys. Let's go. While waiting, I'm just listening to some music and going through some stuff, like reading some books, and yeah, I just sampled of this one, and then I said, let me share with you guys. So let's get on with the video, guys.
So I'm shooting for the stars, but fuck it if I miss it. Outline of the sky, I kiss it. So I'm shooting for the stars, but fuck it if I miss it. Outline of the sky, I kiss it. And if I die young,
Yeah, so guys, it is actually 1 p.m. exactly. You can see 13:00 down here, and Price has given me an information, and I think I'll be moving with this information. You can see that it has taken out the 4-inch low from here. See, there was this 4-inch low. Price has taken out this low over here. That was the key zone, and price has broken up below the zone with a very strong bearish candle, which means price has no intention of going against this bearish trend. It means price has no intention of going against this bearish trend, and that was our first that should be my first criteria, or that should be my first confirmation bearish trend. So price broke out of this higher time frame bullish trend, and then it went back to retest it, and now it is dropping. And on that same time frame, price is still respecting this downtrend move, creating lower highs and lower lows, and we just saw price create another lower low. Now on the hourly, I create supply and demand, so I've seen one of my zones, and I'm going to mark it out right now over here. So this is a very solid zone for me. Should price come back into these zones, I'll be taking a sell from here. So that is my predictions, or that's my so that's my analysis, or that's what I'm expecting on gold this afternoon. It's 1 p.m. and now we just entered the New York session. I hope market volatility will push the market all the way up there, because if price gets into this zone, I know that this is like an A setup for me. But if price fails to go into these zones and then it starts dropping from here, I might just look for another opportunity to enter this zone, because I know that there will be more selling power from here. So that will just be all on this one. Yeah, but if you're enjoying the video, do what? Smash the like button for your boy. Very necessary. Subscribe to the channel and join the family, as I'm still documenting my journey to higher heights, because that was what I said in my bio. I said documenting my journey as a broke forex trader, but aiming at higher heights. So I'm not at the higher heights yet, but I'm still aiming at it, and I'm working towards it. So if you want to join this journey, subscribe to this channel, and don't forget to turn on post notifications, so that every time I drop valuable content just like this one, you get notified. So let's get on with the video, guys.
do this in your circle, worded in my journal, fighting with my pen. Everything is hell, so eternal outlet from my angle. When I'm broke, it's only verbal. Fuck your pop song. People here struggle daily just to keep their lights on, smoking the cope and praying.
Yeah, so you all can see price didn't go into the 1-inch zone as I expected, but then it created another zone around here. It's created a 5-minute zone over here, you see. So I entered a trade while price was dropping. I saw the move on my 1-minute time frame. Price tapped into this 5-minute zone, and then it gave me a bearish engulfing candle right here. So that was when I entered the trade, and I'm going in full margin, as I said. I'm going in full margin. Sorry, I said I was going to go in full margin, or full margin.
Will you keep
And I went
quiet?
in full margin. I'm risking just 50 pips on this trade, but with my lot size right now, when this trade goes south, everything or the account will get blown. And I'm targeting money to do that's like 150 pips. So let's just see how it goes, guys. Let's see how it goes. Right now we are currently riding in blues, but it's too early for us to be jubilating, but I'm doing this right in front of our special guest on this channel. As I said, I was going to be bringing you one special guest, and this is my sister. You all meet my sister. You know, when I got my payout, she actually congratulated me on WhatsApp. I got a payout and then I posted a certificate on my WhatsApp. She actually congratulated me all along when I was doing these things since like three years back. She knew that I've been doing something, but you know, the understanding wasn't there, so they just knew that okay, our big bro is doing something. But after the payout, at least she understood that I've struggled, and like that was my sweat and blood. So today I want to like do this right in front of her.
Yeah, good afternoon, guys. So sorry for whatever this may cause, maybe inconveniences, or you get me. So you know, the next scene was supposed to be like our special guest on the channel introducing herself and trying to tell us what's her mission on the channel. And for some reason my space got I adjusted my space and I was trying to free up some space on my phone, and unfortunately I deleted the video file that was supposed to be in this space, that in the space that this video is going to replace. Yeah, that video file was supposed to be in that space, but then this is what it is. I don't know, it was by mistake. I tried to retrieve it, but I went to delete it in my trash. I went to delete it in my trash too, so it's kind of difficult for me to like get that video back. I tried to re-record the same thing today, but she isn't around today, and today is also my last day at home. Tomorrow I'll be going to work, and I might be coming like next week. I might be coming back like next week, so I just want to finish up with this particular video and edit it, and then put it out there for you guys to watch. So I'll be putting screen records of how the trade that I took yesterday went, and everything that happened within the trade, and even some of the behind the scenes. Maybe I'll do that in a different video, but how this trade went, my payout certificate, and also everything that's necessary, everything that I think is necessary to be in this video, I'll be putting it there. So that's all I wanted to come here and say to you guys, because I felt bad when I realized the video was deleted, but there's nothing I can do about it again. I just have to try and then find a different solution, and this seems to be the best solution I can find now. So that's just all on this one. I just wanted to come here and then make you guys aware of the situation at hand, but it is what it is. So that's all on this one. I think I'll be ending the video here. So if you enjoyed the video, do what to smash the like button for your boy, subscribe to the channel below, and also turn on post notifications so that every time I drop a new video you will get notified. So with that being said, that's all on this one. See you in the next one. Peace and love. I'm out.
Shout out to all those out there grinding, working a 9 to 5 and shit. Fuck the motherfucking cops and all that motherfucking president shit. Fuck 'em. Let's go. Cause I'ma kiss the sky. I stay stacked until it kiss the sky. I swear to God, I stay stacked until it kiss the sky. I tend to dabble with my thoughts, sweet eyes redder than cyclops. Plots put together for this guap. Word scribble got me in the tunnel blur. You dry snitching, talking about you move a dozen birds. Mama love me first, cool without this rap. Matter of fact, when I was bummy first, tummy hurt, small and chubby first. They ain't love me like a honey's curves. All I got was doubt, tie me down. Put the man in the iron mask, a muzzle on my mouth until I ripped it all. Hannibal like the balls, I'm vicious dog, longevity. Haters want me to be Ray and lose my vision, dog. Had the 380, but I ain't had the heart to lick them, dog. What if that was your brother or sister, dog, creeping through the fog? Give me your jewels, your wallet, and I'll get this pistol off. Till then, you'll kiss the sky. Creeping through the fog. Give me your jewels, your wallet, and I'll get this pistol off. So I'm shooting for the stars, but fuck it if I miss it. Outline of the sky, I kiss it. So I'm shooting for the stars, but fuck it if I miss it. Outline of the sky, I kiss it. And if I die young, and homie, so be it. I done blew enough weed, and these bitches, I don't need them. I ain't seen all the money that I want to, but I'm stacking motherfucker to that shit. Kiss the sky. And if I die young, and homie, so be it. I done blew enough weed, and these bitches, I don't need them. I ain't seen all the money that I want to, but I'm stacking motherfucker to that shit. Kiss the sky. It's for my partner that done kiss the sky. It's for my partner that done kiss the sky. It's for my family that